Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the eFootball game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language within your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up eFootball game on your device, and once you are inside the main menu, you will need to navigate to the extras option at the top section. From there, enter the game settings, and now scroll down and tap on language. You will see two different options, including text and commentary language. To change the in-game language, go into the text language option, and now you can choose from the various languages that have been installed while you downloaded the game. Just choose your desired language and then tap on the Make Changes option to confirm your change. This will then apply the language to your game right away. And if you have chosen a language you don't understand by mistake, you can go back to the Extras menu, choose the Game Settings option, which is the first option at the right, then go into the fourth option, choose the first one from within, and then once again choose your desired language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game language on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.